I'm Alison Kuhlman, Site Manager with the U.S. Department of Energy, Office of Legacy Management. Between 90 and 300 tons of natural uranium were machined at the Toledo, Ohio site in the early 1940s as part of the Manhattan Project. A 1989 survey identified localized areas of residual uranium contamination. The site was resurveyed in June 1990 and recommended for inclusion in the Formerly Utilized Sites Remedial Action Program, or FUSRAP. In 1992, DOE learned that soil and debris potentially contaminated with residual uranium had been moved 15 miles to a residential property in Ottawa Lake, Michigan, for use as fill material. This property was formerly known as the Ottawa Lake Vicinity Property. Remediation of the Toledo site was completed in September 1995. Approximately 356 cubic yards of low-activity radioactive waste and 5 cubic yards of mixed waste were generated from the Toledo site and transported to a licensed disposal facility in Clive, Utah. Between October 1994 and January 1995, the Ottawa Lake Vicinity property was remediated by excavating radioactively contaminated soil and debris. Approximately 1,920 cubic yards of contaminated material were removed and transported to a licensed disposal facility in Clive, Utah. DOE certified that the site and the vicinity property complied with the applicable cleanup criteria and standards in 2001 and released the properties for unrestricted use. In 2004, DOE transferred long-term stewardship responsibilities to the Office of Legacy Management, or LM. No monitoring, maintenance, or site inspections are required for the Toledo site. LM's responsibilities consist of managing site records and responding to stakeholder inquiries.